Previously on this channel, you saw the complete process and learned how to install a selectable air differential locker. If you haven't seen that video, click hit the pop-up banner or check the link in the description. And as I promised, here is the next short video. Here, I will quickly show you how to do a rear drum to disc brake conversion on a Suzuki Jimny. The process begins in pretty much the same way as it did last time. Start by jacking up the vehicle and removing the wheels. Open up the drums, disassemble the brake pad, the handbrake, disconnect the brake line, and don't forget the ABS if you have one. Unscrew these 4 nuts on the backplate. Finally, use a rubber hammer if you have to in order to draw out both half shafts along with the backplates. Now for the messy part. This backplate needs to be removed. If you want to remove the old rear bearings to fit new ones, then the backplate will slide off. If you want to leave the old bearings in place, you will have to go with the destructive method. And there is no one way of doing it. So use whatever you have at your disposal. Whether it's just a hacksaw, an angle grinder, an air chisel, or a plasma torch. Just get the job done without damaging the bearing. Refit the half shaft and let's check the conversion kit. Yep, you need at least a basic conversion kit that includes conversion plates and the necessary nuts, bolts and accessories. I'm using a kit from Jimny Bits. You will also need to get yourself a set of the same discs and pads that you use on the front of the Jimny, as well as a set of second-hand Renault Megane rear calipers from the second generation models. Bolt on the conversion plate supplied with the kit as shown. Note that this kit includes a shim plate that can space out the disc, but its use is optional if you find that the caliper is touching the disc. Fit the Jimny front disc to the half shaft. Before moving on, take a good look at the Renault calipers. This is the one that goes on the left-hand side. You need to remove the original handbrake lever and fit the new bracket as shown here. Do the same for the other one. Bolt the caliper to the conversion plate. Remember to fit new brake pads, then rotate the caliper into position and tighten it up as necessary. Press the handbrake cable into the supplied tube. Hooking the brake cable furrow to the brake lever could be a bit tricky. You might want to loosen up the handbrake from within the vehicle or get an extra pair of hands for this one. Finally, you can purchase new brake hoses or make yourself some cheap custom copper pipes as I did. Fit along nicely and you're done. Thanks for watching. Have you found this video helpful? Let me know in the comments. And consider subscribing to the channel for more Jimny and off-road related videos. Take care.